My my auction truck I got from Taylor Martin, 2015 Freightliner. Oh, okay, somebody's gonna ram me over. It's a decent truck overall. So I got it in Pennsylvania. 350,000 miles. Already had my first big fix on it. It was basically a preventative maintenance thing. The carrier bearing. I got the carrier bearing replaced on it already. Oh shit. Which is that carrier bearing right there. So it's the first thing, you know, crawling around a truck, push up on that thing to make sure you need a friggin' carrier bearing. So that set me back $1,500 right off the bat before I even took a load. So if you get a truck, you know damn well you better have some money to be prepared to buy some of this stuff.